Hello everyone and welcome to the best crypto channel ever. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out. The Bank of Singapore is announcing some great news about the cryptocurrency XRP. They said that they are going to use this crypto for their cross-border payments. Lately we are witnessing a falling market, but despite that XRP is working on implementing this coin into the existing bank system in the world. After signing contracts with many financial institutions recently, the Bank of Singapore announced that they are going to use XRP coin. Obviously the lawsuit that they are facing is not stopping them from progress. After the contracts with the banks in Egypt and Oman, they have partnership with Singapore Central Bank. This partnership is going to be with the Mojaloop Foundation. This contract for partnership is indicating that Singapore is planning to use this crypto in their system, or directly for their cross-border payments. This is amazing news for Ripple XRP, especially for the ones that are possessing XRP coin. Today you are going to find out a lot of things about XRP. Our main focus will be this partnership with Singapore's central bank, but also you will learn about XRP's ranking on CNBC's Disruptor 50 and what is Mojaloop and how XRP can benefit from it. We will also give you hints on how to use XRP and the latest news about its development. Ripple is number 38 on the CNBC Disruptor 50. The previous 2 years we have seen really bad period for the cryptocurrencies. Lately the mania for crypto is back. Despite the fact that crypto was and for sure will be the future of finance, we have seen some fall in the market, but now it is rising again. But we haven't seen broader adoption of cryptocurrency before XRP. XRP is the pioneer in this field, in the field of adoption of cryptos in real world, in the central banks, and in the monetary system. There is a reason why Ripple is at the 38th place on the CNBC's Disruptive. Ripple also utilizes XRP, a digital asset that even after the recent crypto correction is sitting on big gains this year. Payments into emerging markets often require pre-funded local currency accounts around the world, meaning liquidity costs are high, according to Ripple. The company's on-demand liquidity service uses XRP as a kind of bridge between currencies, which it says allows payment providers and banks to process cross-border transactions much faster than they would over legacy payment rails, wrote CNBC in their Disruptor 50. We have to remind that the Ripple Net platform is using a blockchain technology that can be used from banks and other financial institutions. Despite the benefit that this technology can provide to the financial system, they still have problems with the regulation in the USA, and they are denying all the allegation from the SEC. They are reminding that XRP is a currency and not a security that has to be subject to strict rules. The CNBC report mentioned that Ripple is backed up by very important players in the financial world. Ripple is backed by the likes of Japanese financial services giant SBI Holdings, Spanish bank Santander, and top venture capital firms including Andreessen Horowitz, Lightspeed and Peter Thiel's Founders Fund, says the report of CNBC. The partnership of XRP with Mojaloop and the Singapore Central Bank. One very interesting fact is that more than 2 billion people in the underdeveloped countries cannot get out of poverty because they are not having any bank accounts, or they cannot get any financial service. This is a mistake from the financial institutions around the world, because most of them are focused on the rich or developed countries. Since most of the financial markets are drained, the next big market is going to be the ones that are not developed. This market is the so-called goldmine for the financial institutions and for the next economic growth. Ripple saw an opportunity here and said that mobile wallets can be an elegant solution for the unbanked people around the world. The unbanked people means that they are unable to get out of poverty, and on the other hand the current financial institutions are unable to make interoperability with the digital currencies or even to have their own digital currencies. XRP signed an agreement with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation as well, and they are intending to change all of this. Ripple, in partnership with DWALA, Modusbox, Software Group and Cross Lake Technologies, funded and supported from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, developed a new software that is open source, and it is called Mojaloop. The software is aiming to create real-time interoperable payment platform on a national scale to reach the poor people around the world. Ripple's Chief Technology Officer Stephen Thomas said, "Enabling the poor to make payments to anyone, anywhere, using a mobile wallet has implications beyond increased access to their domestic economies. It has the potential to bring millions into the fold of the global digital economy. We are honored to have been a part of this project. As a secure open-source platform, Mojaloop promotes interoperability for everyone, all classes of digital service providers, DFSPs, and the customers they serve. With a purpose-built reference architecture that embodies the Level 1 project principles, Mojaloop is a cost-effective solution for real-time payment and settlement management. Payment hub operators can leverage the technology to deliver transformational and inclusive financial services into their markets. In other words, this platform makes it easier to send and receive money in markets that are rising. The authorities from Singapore joined Mojaloop. The Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MOS, is joining this big project of XRP and Mojaloop. This is the first country, or first official financial institution of a certain country that sends an executive director to serve the foundation Mojaloop. MOS is playing the role of central bank in Singapore, but it is a financial regulator as well. They are joining Mojaloop on a level of sponsorship to provide financial services to underdeveloped financial markets. This could happen to the infrastructure of the foundation. MOS is the first institution from this kind, and they are going to try developing better financial inclusion in the most of the countries. The goal is to implement the digital currencies around the world, especially in the underbanked societies. Sopnendu Mohanty, Chief FinTech Officer, Monetary Authority of Singapore, will be also an advisor for the Mojaloop Board of Directors. While Alan Lim, currently head of the FinTech Infrastructure Office at the Monetary Authority of Singapore, will serve on the Technical Governing Board of Mojaloop. The Mojaloop Foundation is very pleased to welcome MOS to be our newest sponsor member, said Paula Hunter, Executive Director of the Mojaloop Foundation. The Mojaloop Foundation's mission to increase financial inclusion is shaped by the potential of emerging economies to innovate and adopt efficient, interoperable domestic and cross-border applications, and MOS will bring valuable experience and expertise that will further our objectives, she added. Project Uben. Project Uben is a collaborative project with the industry to explore the use of blockchain and distributed ledger technology, or DLT, for clearing and settlement of payments and securities. The project aims to help MOS and the industry better understand the technology and the potential benefits it may bring through practical experimentation. This is with the eventual goal of developing simpler to use and more efficient alternatives to today's systems based on central bank-issued digital tokens. Project Uben is a multi-year, multi-phase project, with each phase aimed at solving the pressing challenges faced by the financial industry and the blockchain ecosystem. The project is now in its fifth phase, and has since published 6 project reports. This project is supported by several banks like Bank of Canada and the Bank of England, and they issued together reports. These 2 banks are also in partnership with XRP. According to this report, they have already performed cross-border payment with digital currency. These 2 banks are cooperating with the MOS as well, and if you connect the dots, this can be signal that Singapore and XRP Ripple will collaborate for their cross-border payment with cryptocurrency. XRP is going to be used with central banks' digital currencies. Klaus Martin Lober, head of oversight of the European Central Bank, wrote a document about cross-border payment and cooperative oversight. This document is analyzing the possibilities about cross-border payment with digital currencies. And the document is very important for the holders of XRP Ripple. In the section for new forms of cross-border and cross-currency settlements is mentioned the name of XRP Ripple. Here was mentioned Ripple connection, and this is enough evidence that XRP Ripple can and will be used as a central bank digital currency in future. It will replace the SWIFT system of the banks because of its reliability and stability. This also means that the price of this token, when implemented in the financial system, will only goes up. We are not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You should not buy, sell, trade, or invest in any asset based on what we say in these videos. You should know that investing carries extreme risks. You could lose your entire investment. This is not trading advice, and we are in no way liable for any losses incurred. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.